Most men over 50 think declining blood flow is simply part of aging. But in many cases, the arteries just aren't getting the right nutritional support to stay flexible and responsive. For over the years I have been helping men improve circulation. I've seen how a few specific foods can make a real difference. In this video, I'll show you 3 fruits: pomegranate, watermelon, and avocado that help support nitric oxide, protect blood vessels, and naturally improve blood flow. And make sure you don't miss the watermelon section, because the science behind it and what it does inside the body will genuinely surprise you. Let's start with the first fruit that supports blood flow in a surprisingly powerful way. Also, let me know in the comments which of these fruits you've been testing. Your experience might help others watching this video. The first fruit is pomegranate. It's one of the most studied fruits for vascular health. Research shows that drinking natural pomegranate juice can help reduce systolic blood pressure by around 7% and diastolic pressure by about 6% in adults with high blood pressure, a meaningful improvement in circulation and vascular flexibility. Pomegranate is packed with polyphenols and antioxidants, especially punicolagens, which protect blood vessels from oxidative stress, one of the main causes of arterial stiffness as we age. These antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules, allowing the lining of your arteries, the endothelium, to function more effectively. It also supports nitric oxide activity, the molecule your body uses to relax and widen blood vessels. By helping maintain nitric oxide levels, pomegranate allows your arteries to stay more flexible and blood flow to move more smoothly. Beyond circulation, pomegranate also boosts immunity, reduces inflammation, supports joint health, protects the heart, and may improve memory and cognitive function. For best results, drink 150 to 200 ml of pure pomegranate juice in the morning, preferably before breakfast, or eat half a fresh pomegranate at the same time. You can also sprinkle the seeds over oatmeal or a salad. The key is consistency. Small daily servings are enough to support long-term vascular and overall health. As you make this a habit, you may start noticing subtle improvements within 1 to 2 weeks, like more consistent energy, warmer hands and feet, and easier movement during activity. Over 3 to 4 weeks, these effects often become more noticeable, including better stamina, improved mental clarity, and smoother circulation, reflecting a healthier and more responsive cardiovascular system. And now, the next fruit, watermelon, is one you absolutely don't want to skip. The details behind how this first fruit works in the body will genuinely surprise you, and the results you can start noticing are often even faster than with pomegranate. Before we move on to fruit 2, which is especially essential for the body, hit the subscription button so you can keep getting more detailed health tips to help stay fit and energized as you age. The second fruit is watermelon. Watermelon contains a natural amino acid called citrulline, which the body converts into arginine, a key building block for nitric oxide. Nitric oxide signals blood vessels to relax and widen, improving circulation and supporting healthy blood flow, the same mechanism athletes target when they take citrulline supplements. Studies show that consuming watermelon can increase plasma arginine levels by up to 20 to 25% within a few hours, directly supporting nitric oxide production and vascular relaxation. Beyond circulation, watermelon is highly hydrating, packed with antioxidants, and contains compounds that help reduce inflammation, support heart health, protect the kidneys, improve skin hydration, and promote overall energy levels. These benefits are especially important for men over 50, as hydration and antioxidant support help maintain healthy blood viscosity and protect arteries from oxidative stress. For best results, eat 1 bowl of fresh watermelon in the afternoon or blend it as a natural drink. Eating it during this time helps your body maintain nitric oxide levels during your most active hours, supporting smoother blood flow, improved stamina, and better energy throughout the day. A small, consistent serving is all that's needed to see meaningful results. As you make this a habit, you may start noticing warmer hands and feet, improved energy, smoother circulation, and a subtle boost in stamina within 1 to 2 weeks. Over 3 to 4 weeks, these benefits often become more pronounced, including better endurance during activity, lighter overall feeling, and a noticeable improvement in cardiovascular responsiveness. Together with pomegranate, watermelon helps protect blood vessels, support nitric oxide production, improve circulation, and maintain healthy blood pressure, making it a simple but powerful addition to your daily routine. And next, we'll move to the third fruit, avocado, which might surprise you with how it helps your arteries and circulation in a completely different way. The third fruit surprises many people. It is avocado. While avocados are known for their healthy fats, they also provide meaningful support for vascular and heart health. Large long-term studies show that people who eat 2 or more servings of avocado a week have about a 16% lower risk of cardiovascular disease and up to a 21% lower risk of coronary heart disease compared with those who rarely eat avocados, even after accounting for other lifestyle factors. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats that help maintain a healthier cholesterol balance, and they are rich in potassium, which supports blood pressure regulation, 2 key factors that reduce strain on your arteries. Balanced blood pressure keeps vessels flexible and responsive, supporting smoother circulation. Beyond fats and potassium, avocado provides fiber and plant compounds that support metabolic health. It also improves digestion, reduces inflammation, supports eye health, boosts immunity, and promotes healthy skin, making it a well-rounded fruit for overall wellness. For best results, eat half an avocado with breakfast or add it to a salad or whole grain meal. This timing helps your body absorb the healthy fats and nutrients efficiently, giving your arteries and circulation consistent support throughout the day. A small, consistent daily serving is enough to see meaningful benefits. Together with pomegranate and watermelon, avocado helps protect blood vessels, maintain healthy blood pressure, improve nitric oxide activity, and enhance overall cardiovascular function. As you make this a habit, you may start noticing more consistent energy, better stamina, smoother circulation, and easier movement within 1 to 2 weeks. Over 3 to 4 weeks, these benefits often become more pronounced, including reduced fatigue, improved endurance during activity, and a stronger overall sense of cardiovascular health. If this is helping you understand how circulation works after 50, stay connected with this channel, because practical, medically grounded habits like these are often the most effective long-term strategies. I'm also curious, which of these fruits do you already eat regularly? Let me know in the comments. Your experience could help someone else watching this video, and I'd love to see what's working for you. One important thing to remember is that the body responds best to small, consistent habits. Real, lasting health improvements rarely come from extreme changes done for a short time. Instead, they come from simple actions repeated every day, the kinds of habits that support your body gradually and allow your systems to function the way they were designed to. Your blood vessels, for example, respond to steady nutritional support, proper hydration, and consistent lifestyle choices. When these habits become part of your routine, the body slowly adapts. Circulation improves, blood vessels remain more flexible, and energy levels tend to become more stable over time. That's why simple foods like pomegranate, watermelon, and avocado can play such an important role. They work quietly in the background, protecting blood vessels, supporting nitric oxide, and helping your cardiovascular system stay resilient as you age. So rather than looking for complicated routines, focus on consistent, manageable habits. Small daily choices, repeated over weeks and months, often create the biggest long-term benefits for your circulation, your energy, and your overall health. You don't need extreme diets or complicated routines to support circulation. Often, simple natural foods, used consistently, are enough to help your body maintain healthier blood vessels over time. Start with one small step, add these fruits to your daily routine. Stay consistent, and give your body the nutritional support it needs to maintain strong circulation as you age. Your arteries, your energy, and your overall health will thank you for it.